How'd you like to whip up a fantastic cake in under an hour that you can take as a gift or use at your own holiday party? Today I'll show you how to make a flourless chocolate cake with a chocolate glaze. First, preheat your oven to 375 and then spray a 9-inch springform pan with pan spray. Then add a circle of wax paper and spray the paper. I've melted 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate with 2 sticks of butter, and now I'm going to add in about 1.25 cups of sugar and 6 lightly beaten eggs and a cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to make sure that this is all blended very, very well. Now put the batter into a prepared cake pan. Put it all in there, and you're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Now the cake may crack on the top, but that's okay. But when the cake is finished, take it out of the oven, invert it, and then remove the wax paper from the bottom. Now to make the glaze, melt some additional chocolate and butter in a pan, then take it off the heat and add in just a tablespoon of milk and a tablespoon of honey and some vanilla. Then when the cake is completely cooled, let me incorporate that first. When the cake is completely cooled, pour it over the cake, and then with a spatula, complete the glaze. And then put it in the refrigerator to chill and have the glaze set. This cake is very dense and so good, so write to me for the recipe. Happy holidays, everyone.